Top 10 freelancing websites to make money online. Number 1. Behance. Number 2. Simply Hired. Number 3. Dribbble. Number 4. We Work Remotely. Number 5. Design Crowd. Number 6. Toptal. Number 7. Freelancer. Number 8. Fiverr. Number 9. Upwork. Number 10. PeoplePerHour. Whether you're a designer, developer, writer, or any other professional, these platforms offer a diverse range of opportunities to showcase your talents and earn a living remotely. Explore and thrive in the world of online freelancing, and like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel.